Hey everyone, and welcome back to Craft Time Chronicles with Toya. Today I'm going to be making a Spotify music plaque. So if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you'll see how that turned out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to get updates for more videos. Alright, so let's get right over here to Spotify. You're going to pick your artist and of course the song you want. If you can see those three dots there, that's where you're going to copy the song link, and then you're going to head over to Spotify codes. What you want to do is copy that link there and then hit the Spotify code or get Spotify code, and then it should pop up over here. Make sure that you download that SVG image. Alright, so now I'm just going to save that to my computer. Once you save it, it's going to give you this cool effect. I thought it was actually really cool. And then you're going to open up, either I use Cricut, so you can use like Silhouette or whatever you choose. Alright, so after you've done that, you want to upload your Spotify code into your software, and then you're going to just place it how you want to. If you guys want the measurements and all of that nature, just leave I do in the comments and I can do a step-by-step tutorial on that. So once you place it or whatever, you can just go ahead and print out your images. Alright, so I printed out my images. I have weeded it out and everything. Works. I'm on Spotify. I'm going to scan and we're gonna see if it works. Here we go. Hey, it works.
Mess her up. Sometimes you gotta walk around, but I be wanting you to dress up though. Come to the suite.